It is hard to identify the dent due to the reflect light for the car. You can use a light board to help you find the dent and mark it with marking pen.
Apply hot melt glue on the tap with the glue gun. Quickly put the tab on the dent until it is fastened. Buckle the middle hole of the bridge with the rod of the tab after aimed at them, and put the nut on the connecting rod, and then spin the nut continually till repaired. You can use a tap-down pen and aim at the bump, then knock it slightly with a rubber hammer. Repeat it till success. Before repair. After repair.